Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about mind-bending concept that has puzzled scientists and philosophers for years: quantum immortality. Quantum immortality is the idea that our consciousness is indestructible and can never truly die. It's based on the theory of many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, which suggests that every decision we make creates a new universe, a parallel reality where a different outcome occurs. In one reality, we may survive a car accident, while in another, we may not. However, since our consciousness can only exist in a reality where we're alive, we will never experience that. Therefore, our consciousness will continue to live on a parallel universe where we're still alive. But is there any evidence to support this theory? Well, let's take a look at the science behind it. According to the many worlds interpretation, when a quantum measurement is made, the universe splits into multiple versions, each representing a different outcome. This means that there are countless versions of ourselves, each living in a different reality. Now, let's consider the famous Schrödinger's cat thought experiment. In this experiment, a cat is placed in a sealed box with a radioactive source and poison that will be released if the source decays. The decay is a random event, and according to the quantum mechanics, the cat is in a superposition of states, both life and death, until the box is opened. So, what happens to the cats? In one reality, the cat survives, while in another, it dies. But in each reality, the observer's consciousness only experiences one outcome. This brings us to the concept of quantum immortality. If we apply the same idea to ourselves, then our consciousness can only exist in a reality where we're alive. Therefore, we will never experience that, and our consciousness will continue to live on in the parallel universe where we're still alive. Let's explore the concept of quantum immortality with a hypothetical scenario. Imagine someone jumping off a skyscraper and free-falling to their death in our reality. However, according to the theory of many worlds interpretation, there will also be a parallel universe where that person survives the fall. In that universe, the person's survival may be due to a number of factors. Perhaps they landed on a cushioning surface, or there was a gust of wind that slowed their fall. Or maybe in that universe, the laws of physics are slightly different, allowing the person to survive the fall. Furthermore, attempting dangerous activities such as jumping off skyscraper is never recommended. It's important to prioritize our safety and well-being in this reality, rather than risking our lives in hopes of living in another universe. However, there are some criticism of this theory. For example, some argue that our consciousness is not separate from our physical body and cannot exist without it. Others believe that the theory of many worlds interpretation is just a mathematical construct and doesn't have any physical meaning. Because of this criticism, the idea of quantum immortality is a fascinating concept that challenges our understanding of reality. So, what do you think about the theory of quantum immortality? Do you believe that our consciousness can live on forever in the parallel universe? Let us know in the comments below.